Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Bing search history. The Bing app is a mobile application developed by Microsoft that offers a variety of AI-powered features designed to enhance your search and overall user experience. In order to delete your Bing search history, all you need to do is tap on your Bing app. After opening your Bing app, you will see your Bing home page. From here, you'll need to tap on profile icon on the top left corner of your screen. A menu will pop up with a lot of options on your screen. You'll need to tap on the option that has history written on it. After tapping on history, you'll find all your search histories. From there, you can select the search you want to delete. For that, you'll need to tap on the boxes right beside the searches. You can delete your search history one by ticking on the boxes, or you can also delete it in bulk by tapping on Select All button on the top. And then you'll have to press delete. Your search history will be deleted. From here, you can also see your browsing history. Right beside search, you can see browsing. You'll have to tap on it. Then you'll see your browsing history. After that, you'll have to tap on it one by one, or like the search history, you can select all by pressing on this box. Now you'll have to tap on delete, and you have successfully deleted your browsing history as well. And just like that, you have successfully deleted your Bing search history, as you can see. This was a very easy step-by-step tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave like, share and subscribe. Thank you.